everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to take a simple photo and transform it into a realistic talking video using AI, complete with lip sync. Whether you're a content creator, digital artist, or just curious about AI tools, this is something you can do in minutes, even if you have zero editing experience. With your smartphone, we'll go step by step, from uploading your image to generating lip-synced video using free and easy-to-use tools from your phone or PC, and this is how I created this video you are watching right now. First, choose a clear portrait image. The face should be front-facing, with good lighting and no heavy filters. AI works best when it can clearly detect the eyes, mouth, and facial structure. You can use a selfie, a stock image, or even a historical photo. Ensure you have permission to use it. We're going to use ChatGPT to generate this image. I downloaded this image from Pinterest. Here is the prompt to use. I am going to leave the prompt in the description box. Now open ChatGPT and upload your image or the one you downloaded. Use the prompt on the screen or the one you copied from the description box. Paste it into ChatGPT and wait a few moments. ChatGPT will generate the image for you just like this. The image will come in square size. I paste all the prompts I use in the description box. You can copy and follow the step after you have satisfied. Click on download. After downloading the image, for me, I am not satisfied with the size and color, just like the image you're seeing on your screen right now. I fine-tune the image and resize it to make it look good, just like the one you are seeing now. If you are okay with color and the size of the image, you can use it like that. If you are using it long-form content, it will have this extra background like shorts video. But if you are using it for shorts video, is okay. But for long-form content, I don't like that extra background and the video will just sit in the middle. I don't like it that way. And I need to make the image look warm and more colorful, and make it look more HD. I re-edited the image in Photoshop, resizing it to 16 by 9, but if you don't know how to do that, use the image you downloaded from ChatGPT like that, since everything we want to use is free. Now, let's bring this image to life. There are several AI tools you can use to animate a photo and add lip sync. Here are my top 3 picks. Halo AI. Super easy and fast. Just upload your image and type or upload a voiceover. Hey Jen. Great for creating avatars and voiceovers with advanced lip syncing. Dream Face. Super easy and fast. Just upload your image and type or upload a voiceover. But here we are going to be using Halo AI to animate the image. All the links will be in the description box. Now, let's animate our image. It's free to start and beginner-friendly, but the free version comes with a watermark. But don't worry, I am going to show you how to easily remove the watermark. Now open Halo AI. Once your image is uploaded, copy the prompt from the description box and paste here, add camera movement. You can select anyone you want and click on generate till you are satisfied with what you want is 5 seconds video. But if you want long video, you pay the subscription. Since we're using it free, download it to your phone or PC. It will have watermark, but don't worry. Like I said, I will show you how to remove that easily. When your video is ready, download it and use it for anything. YouTube intros, TikTok trends, educational content, or even storytelling. This is what I use to create this video you are watching. Now you have a talking video with synced lip movement, all created using AI. After animating my video, I will need a script for my voiceover or record using your real voice. I will use CapCut text-to-speech to create my voiceover. Go on web browser and open CapCut text-to-speech and paste your script. The length of the script should not be more than 400 characters because I'll want the audio duration to be under 30 seconds. Dreamface free plan is 30 seconds. Choose your AI voiceover character you want, click on generate and download your voiceover. Here I will be using Dreamface AI to lip sync my voiceover. To use Dreamface, you have to keep your voiceover or audio under 30 seconds because we are using it for free. Dreamface with a free plan you can upload and download 10 times per day for free. Open Dreamface, and Dreamface is an app you have to download from the Play Store on your Android phone, or for iPhone users, open Dreamface. I am going to upload the video I generated from HaluAI. When you open Dreamface, you will see that you can lip sync image or video, but we are doing video. Click on Video Lip Sync. Click on Avatar to upload your video. After uploading the video, click on where it shows Add Script to continue. You can add scripts or upload audio. We are going to upload the voiceover we generated from CapCut text to speech. Click on the box, tap Import, select File, and upload your audio. Click on Animate, wait a few minutes, and it will generate a video with your image or video saying exactly what you want them to say. After you are done, download it to your phone or PC. Like said, I am going to show you how to remove the watermark easily for free. We are going to use this AI tools called unwatermark.ai. It does great job, is what I use for this video. Open Unwatermark, upload your video, and draw this box on top of where the watermark is. It will be removed. Download your video and use it for any content you want to create. We are done with everything. I use CapCut to edit my video. You can create full storytelling content just from still images. And that's it. You've just learned how to turn an image into a talking, lip-synced video using the power of AI for free. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I've got more creative AI tutorials coming your way every week. Drop a comment if you try this or have questions. I'd love to see what you create. Until next time, stay creative.